So this is our breakfast situation. Kohani, what do you have?
I just have some nice bread.
I think that they only have a simple breakfast, and this is how it looks like outside.
What's up, everybody?
Dzień dobry! Wow, just another day in Munich. And we just had our breakfast basically, and it's beautiful background, fountain, water lilies, green. Wow, it's very nice cities, right?
Very nice city, actually. On the other side is the World Trade Center, actually. What was the main purpose of the whole entire spontaneous quick trip? That's the nice little pond. They have water lilies and everything, the hotel where we stayed. And now we are quickly going to the old market square here in München or Munich. And we're gonna explore a little bit. And then we have a 9-hour journey back to Poznan.
And we both already get back pain, but we never give up to showing you how it is for those of you who never been to Munich, Germany. And yeah.
But the back pain, but happy at the same time, right? It's enjoyable.
So let's go. Look at these beautiful red flowers. And behind is the International Congress Centers. And that's the fountain, water lily, beautiful. And now it's time to check out and explore the city. Let's go, Kohani.
Let's go.
Oh, look at this. Very nice. I really like to see the green park. Nice. What is this monument?
I have no idea, but there is some monument here.
Right.
And I know there is the 30 limit.
Oh, enjoy the green nature. Oh, they really like it.
It's like a weird shape roundabout through the big park, city park in the city center. We are going to the...
Just don't over limit.
Yeah. But the BMW, because maybe BMW here in München, they have special rides because they are
Look on the left.
made here. Yeah, nice.
Oh, nice.
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 And now is the bridge.
This on the bridge. Oh.
There is river.
Ah, this is the river that we passed yesterday, no?
Nice.
Nice. We are going to the centrum, tak?
Park Centrum.
Look at this. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Look at this one. So this is the traffic situation. We are looking for the car park. So I think this one is already the centrum, tak? Ah, yes. That's the tower, clock tower, and the market, and many hotel. And I think that, oh, look at this one. This is the traffic situation. We will look for the car park somewhere. Nice. Traffic jam kayaknya?
Yeah, seems like. Feels a little bit like in Bali now.
You're driving like a Bali style?
We are in the
Yes.
city center all the time, so
Yeah.
and it's morning, so delivery time. You can see so many trucks delivering the rattlers for tonight.
Dobse. Oh, it's the weekend, you know.
Oh yeah, it's Friday morning.
Tak. Here we go. We arrive in.
Marienplatz. I mean, nearly Marienplatz. It's behind us. Feels a little bit like in Poznan, no?
This one, the walking street, right?
Yeah, it's like a
Let's
city
go.
center. Let's explore
And
for 1 hour.
right. And then just around there is the
Fountain
with
with
the bulls or cows, and so many restaurants surrounding.
Actually, we need to have some cappuccino in Bahrain.
Let's go.
I need to buy the postcard for my papa. He collecting. When I will come to München and didn't buy it, he will be like not happy. Now I don't know. Should I buy him this one with the beer and stuff like that, or just the panorama? But I need to buy two. And also, I just wanted to say we need to have a cappuccino because this is actually Bavaria. It's very nearby the Switzerland, Austria, and North Italy. So actually, it's a little bit blended flavors and everything. That's why we'll be a lot of Italians also here living. This is actually very, very far from Honsai.
Yeah, and look at behind.
So cool, huh?
Oh, finally I'm here. Just another city in Europe, in Munich or München, and look behind me. I'm checking in different cities. I'm so happy. But look at this. Barzo Polecam. Whenever you come to Munich, you have to hear. Look, there are so many tourists, and this one is the tourist spot. And look at that building. Wow, 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 and wow, wow. This weekend actually, so look at this, how they deliver the beer in a full tank, like a petrol tank, like a gas tank.
But Bavaria is famous for their
Right,
beers, especially
right.
October 1st.
And look at this, get closer. This one is just like, that's okay. But look at this one, and look at the market. Ooh, look at this, so many restaurants, and that's the buildings around. And wow, and the fountain, nice, and clock tower. Wow, wow, and wow, wow, wow. Look at this, amazing. Wow, wow, love it. Look at this. I think that this is gonna be a concert soon, but I just amazed with this building. Look. Wow. Wow.
Nice, isn't it?
Right. Very nice. Wow. Awesome. Let's see inside the building, because I think that many people are getting inside. Look at this architecture. Wow. And the door. Wow. Look at this, kohanye. Very nice. Impressive. Oh. Ding dong time? Huh? Look at this. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Oh, ding dong time. Wow. Wow.
This is how does it look like here in München, Monaco, Munich. Nice actually, isn't it?
It's impressive.
And it's quite busy though, but this is, like I said, it's actually a very good location. Yeah, it's nice.
I think we should go there and explore. Let's go.
Let's go.
Right, so it's very impressive. And now I'll show you 360 degree and we will go there. Wow, look at this clock tower. And we will go there. Oh, another impressive. Nice. It's beautiful. The market, and that's the museum. And here is the situation like this. And that's the market over there. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. We will go to the market.
Stuff and the sandwiches actually.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you film last time.
Okay.
Going on here.
This one is the market basically. So many stuff they sell it. Oh, nice. Very nice. Oh, sausages. Nice. Look at this one.
Indoor.
Nice. Oh, this one. It's so impressive.
It's a tourist-oriented restaurant. It's okay, nice.
It's coffee o'clock. We should try the pretzel because your favorite bread, one of them is pretzel. Tak? Let's go. Nice. So this is the bread selection. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Bread is where home is stuck. Nice. Look at the pastry selection. And then this one is the price of the cappuccino. All fresh. Nice.
Ordered the food and we wanted to go up, but the up they said, no, you cannot come here. I didn't know there's the two same brand, same restaurant, but two different restaurants in one. But the pretzel is nice though.
Cappuccino and pretzel.
Actually very nice.
So it's beautiful, nice coffee shop, and look at this. Wow. Clock tower, and that's the restaurant there. Let's go. So look at this on the wall. Oh, this one on the wall. It's impressive. Nice. Ding dong everywhere. Restaurant. Oh, the clock on the top. Postcard time. So we buy a postcard for Mama Itata at home and the family because they live in Poland but never been to Germany before. So yeah, very nice. Also there are so many nice cute souvenirs. Kochanie?
I bought the postcard, but have you seen the longest receipt for the just the postcard lah? But it's nice. Same picture.
It means deductive for your tax later on. Dobrze?
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, look at this. Oh, nice. You see? Wow. So in Poznan they have a, like a pira or goat, but here they have a different things like this. Beautiful. And many people are gathering to watch this one. Nice. I zoom it a little bit so you can see it clearly. Nice.
It's actually, that was really nice, enjoyable trip in Munich, nice city and everything. Unfortunately, we have to be a little bit in rush and showing you a little bit because this is still a business trip. And we have to go back to Poznan before like 9-10 p.m. And it's already 11, almost 12, so it's a 9-hour trip, so we have to go. But the city itself is really nice. I'm impressed. How about you, Saya?
Yes, it's very, very nice. And then whenever you come to Germany, you should visit here after Berlin maybe. Okay, I think that's all my video today, guys. Our video, because we have to go and the car is from the company and everything, we have a time. So thanks for watching and
See you next time.
Because we have a very tight time, I'll show you by the road trip around. And at least that you've got the views about how the Munich city look like. Honey, remember 30, dobrze?
Yeah, that's stressing me. Actually, it's 30 here only.
Yes, and here it is.
Nice.
Nice, tak?
Oh.
Oh, nice. This is the river. And wow. Oh. And this is how it looks. They also have a city bus tour. Like in front of me here. And yeah, I think we are back to the market, right? And look at that. Wow.
Yeah, we're walking on the other side of this market, no? Look at this house on the wheels.
Yes, and look at the building. I think the design of the building like pretty look the same like in Poznan. Yeah, because it was used to be colonialized by German, right?
Well, it was Prussia long time
Prussia
ago,
long
all of
time
it.
ago, right? And here is the view. Very nice. So glad that we make like another cities in Germany.
Yeah,
And here is
200 meters, turn right.
right. And green everywhere is trees. That's good. I love it. Nice. So I think that in front is the road construction, and yes.
And the guy drive Vespa.
So chill, tak?
Ah.
Yes. And I'll show you the road construction. And on the right side, this is how the city life, basically. Nice. And nice. And this is the car from the company. It's a big engine,
It's diesel.
diesel.
Different than my hybrid.
Yes, so yeah. Thank you so much. And I think in front is the apartment.
They also have a trams here. They
Yes.
fixing actually the tram lines.
Right. And this is like this.
Then slight left.
Right. Oh, look at this. Right.
We intended to go left, but there is no left.
Yeah.
Right. In 150 meters, turn left. In 200 meters, turn left.
It's nice. Green garden. Right. Road construction everywhere. Tak.
Tak.
And local art everywhere.
Tak.
Meters, turn right.
And here is the river. Wow, what a big river.
At the traffic lights, turn right onto Johanstrasse.
Big river. And nice. Oh, people eating on the street.
In 3.7 kilometers, keep left towards Nuremberg and A9.
Nice. Oh, look at this one. Oh, look at this one.
Nice.
Nice. Wow, very nice. Very nice. And on the right side is the river. And green. Ah, I like it. Wow. I really like to see the architecture, design building. It's nice. Wow. The door. Very nice. The big river on the right.
Actually, all of those buildings are very similar to the Polish, like
In
in
300
the
meters, keep left.
Poznań or Wrocław.
Tak, tak.
Especially Poznań.
Yeah. Look at the left, right side. Green. So nice. Here on the right, I think it's
No,
the
it's
river.
the river.
Yeah, small river. we're going to the tunnel again.
And I think this one is different tunnel than yesterday
Yeah.
because the light is going.
Yeah,
It's like a
nice.
cornerish one.
Look at this view in the highways. The truck. Look at this. Nice. On the left. Honey, you drive very chill.
Ah,
Nice. Look at this view. Nice. Oh, this one is all one-way road.
so the two lines are for normal regular cars, and the other line is for the trucks and the trailers, the cars with the trailer, because we are going 6 degrees down from the hills, because well, we were in Bavaria, so obviously they are like a mountainish. Actually, if we go down south, there will be the Alps already, but we are going up north to the Berlin direction. But yeah, that's actually nice road trip now. And you know what? Funny thing is I don't remember this road where we are going first way.
No, it's totally different than first way. You see, all this road is going the same direction, but they
look
have
at the
a
landscape. It's nice.
yes. Oh, look at that on the left side of you, darling. Wow.
Look at this one. Nice.
Nice.
You
Wow,
see, when you
you see?
fly by the plane, you don't see this, huh?
Tak.
That's why I highly recommended to use my service. Maybe we can go to the Zurich next time together.
Right. You see? Look at this road. Amazing green. And you see in the front there is a train station going to the tunnel over there.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Actually nice.
Oh, wow. You see? This one.
So it's nice.
It's so nice.
Going to the petrol station. Some coffee time. And pee-pee time. Pee-pee time.
Oh, look
nice.
at the houses there. This one is the countryside, I
And
think.
there is the church in the background. Actually, maybe from the petrol station we can see. If we are in
Oh.
Germany, we go to the Shell.
Let's go.
Alright.
Anya, look at this road.
Beautiful.
Woohoo! Wow! Look at from the distance.
So cool, huh?
I will zoom in a little bit.
Something different. Without apps.
Wow, so we are on the bridge currently. Wow. So, we decided to stop for coffee, Kohanye, and look at the truck behind you. So big truck. And we were there buying the coffee, and next to it is another hotel. And yeah, this is actually the current situation. And I think there is a small church over there, Tak?
Yeah, the small chapel or something. This is actually how I remember when I first time came to Germany. I was going to Hamburg when I was 10 years old. This is like this service station. It's like old Germany. They had it like in 1970s. So it feels a little bit old now, but they had it previously. But now, like in Poland or in other countries, we have a new. But well, I have to say, we didn't have it in 1970s. So that's how everything changes. But this one, it feels like old Germany a little bit.
So I decided to go here. Look at this beautiful bell. And surround is the green forest, nature. It's amazing, beautiful. And Damian's calling his family. It's so nice. Next to the actually the petrol station though. See? They calling and I just recording.
You enjoy filming?
So we stop for pretzel, Coke, and Lays, and coffee. And this is the place inside. And oh, look at this one! Wow, so many windmill. Huh?
Right. Yeah. It's already different region of Germany.
I think
Very
we're going
close to Leipzig. I don't-
Leipzig, tak?
nearby the Leipzig, but I don't know what's the how you call it. But it's more flat. So
Yes.
many windmills.
And different kind of road as well.
Yeah, in different kind of road. It's red road actually.
Oh, look at this one. Big river. Nice. Nice, they're transporting something.
Oh, the same like in Bangkok, huh?
Huh? No,
The train.
that some of them are kayaking, is not?
Oh, really?
Tak, tak, tak. And I see that because of summer, many camper van like this, tak? Kahannya?
A lot.
Ah,
And also the road is under construction.
tak.
Also plenty. Crossing the border between Germany and Poland through the Oder River.
Look at that. Woohoo!
One side is Polish, one side is German. Natural border of Poland.
Beautiful.
Somewhere here is the sign actually. On the other side
Tak.
of the
Oh, here.
Republic of Poland. Welcome.
Republic
Granica państwa.
Polska.
Polska.